Nakabenta ki khobor ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kaket hun ki MDC jong ka KHADC hapo ka jingyalam jong UCM uba Tito Starwell Khan kilalay banya kren halor ka jing pentroy kam ye ka Code of Criminal Procedure bat ye ka Code of Civil Procedure ha ka jila Meghalaya hi bro kawai na kalyang umentri rang ba ka jila Conrad ke sangma ulayang ha ka nongrem bat ba ka jing pentroy kam ye ka CrPC bat ye ka CPC kan kta ya ki bor bishar jong ka District Council namar ki District Council kilayo ya ka bor ban bishar na ka paragraph 4 bat paragraph 5 jong ka sek schedule hadin ka jingalang umenturang ba ka jala ula pensha ya ki MDC jong ka KHADC bakan kta ya ki bor jong ki District Council kani ka di ka jing pen pana maka sorkar ka long tang na ka benta ki tu ki jing bishar na kalyang ubat Tito Starwell Khan ubade UCM jeng ka KHADC ula ong ba wat la ka sorkar kla pensha ya kani na ka council pat kandang ya pen bet sngi ban ya kren ya kani ka phang la da kin pryang ni kin kentan and shim ya ka rai la shai ka sngi la ya tu UCM
na kaliang ke jungi ila ya kendu ya chief minister kan bat ya ki deputy chief minister bat ki minister bat ki officer ke ka na kaliang dicungi ila ada biar discuss biar matan ketika notification kepada government kepada dengan syukur apa ni tu ini ba na kaliang dicungi mantang saya kendu saya ke sini step ya kapan shim ke final court kalau ini but hoi la persutu ini ba kum bakalong gani notification kan num ta ya ki district council court dicungi nanti ki subordinate court bat kunjuk ya ki village court kabamut hi ka CRPC bat CPC kanum apply ha ki court ki namar bangi ni don ya ka constitutional provision ya ka kum ka para court bat para right ya ka constitution te bat hak bejing ada lu bat ki case ki ba dei hap deng ki tribal bat ki tribal ni ka trial ka dang dei hi bat ki district council court ini ki district session court kinum la kan try ya ka jing ada hap deng ki tribal dan tang iwe ki case ki ba let's say ki ba ki kut ki jungi ki mju try untuk pokso ba ki we ki criminal case ya kini kan kaju i ka spirit na chu ang lagpat ibi kaju i ka spirit ka ba ngijule baro kata kani kan continue ila ya keren ba namar ba ngamkwa ang ni ban keren ba ni ki legal aspect legal matters kiba ladangi issue expose akan notification room teng kala ban manra ka misinterpretation dan kata-kata ngi kuat ba notification ni kan long simple nang ba kan nom manra pat ka misinterpretation dah kumui pa oh yang kata ro la pensya yangi ba kan nom dilute ya ka powers ka jungi namar balik kum kalau orang itu ka powers ka jungi ka district council court ba ki additional subordinate court ba ki village court kin trikam ba kum baju trai kuat kum ka spirit jongka CRPC kabamut kan in letter kan nom apply
the issue of the CRPC and the notification that had come out as you're aware that the state government and the cabinet had deliberated this particular issue more than 3 times in the cabinet, and also we have discussed this matter with the district council. This is the second time that we're having this meeting to clear off all the confusion or misunderstanding or differences that could be there. And the message that we have given to the district council is that the entire purpose of really coming out with this notification is to allow the judicial magistrate to continue the work and the functions that were being done by the ADC judiciary when the executive and judiciary was not segregated. That is the only intention and objective of this notification, nothing beyond that. And the question of diluting the powers of the district council or interfering in the village courts or changing the procedures in the district council is absolutely not there. So there's no question the provisions and the powers of the district council courts are protected by the provisions in the constitution. And a notification, no matter how many times we may change things, the wording we may change, anybody can try to interpret the notification in any way. the most important protection that the district councils and the courts and district councils have is through the provisions of para 4 and 5 in the 6th schedule. And hence, no notification will supersede that. The intention and the spirit and objective of this notification is purely and purely simply to complete and regularize the process of separation from executive from the judiciary, so that now that the ADC judiciary is not there anymore, the district session judge and the court can function and do their jobs as was being done by the ADC judiciary. So that was what confusion was. There were concerns by the district council that the cases between tribals and tribals will now be shifted. We have very clearly said there's no question of that. Under para 4, it has been clearly defined that these kind of cases will be tried by the district council courts. So even if any notification or even if there's any kind of cases that were to go, the district council's courts will prevail and their stand will prevail because it is protected by the constitution. So these clarifications were made, and I'm pretty sure that after a number of rounds of discussion, I'm sure that the council also is more or less convinced, and we are moving ahead with this spirit and with this objective, that the district council courts and their powers will not be diluted in any way. And this entire exercise is only to regularize the separation between the executive and the judiciary.